Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue of having high memory usage on your PC with a couple of steps. This may be the most complicated video on my channel, so make sure to keep watching till the end and make sure you get everything correct. Step number 1. We're going to be clearing the page files at shutdown. So hit the Windows key plus R key, and what you're going to do is write in regedit and click enter. You're going to go to H key local machine, which is right here. Then you're going to go to system. Then you want to go to current control set. Go to control. And you want to scroll on down until you see session manager. Click this down. And you're going to want to look for memory management. Click this down. Oh no, sorry. Click this. Excuse my language. Click this. Go to clear page file at shutdown. You're going to double click and change value data to 1. And click OK. And you're done. Step number 2, we're going to be disabling background apps. So you want to click Windows and type in background apps. Click this button here. And you're going to want to have disabled all of these apps, since they are all unnecessary when running on the background. Step number 3, we're going to reduce Google Chrome RAM usage. You want to have Google Chrome open, click the 3 dot, go down to settings. Now up here you want to type in preload and click enter. This will pop up. What you're going to want to do is turn this off. This will reduce memory usage, but browsing speed will be a bit slower. You can undo the step if you feel that your browsing speed is a bit too slow for you. Step 4, Windows animations and visual effects. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be opening up File Explorer. Find this PC. Right click, click properties. It'll open up into your settings. Go into advanced system settings, and what you're going to want to do is you want to click performance, click custom, and you're going to want to turn on whatever you feel like, whatever your preferences are. Click apply once you've gotten your settings right. Click OK. Click OK, and you're done. Step number 5, the last step of the video. Keep your Windows up to date. Go to search, look up Windows Update, and you're going to want to check for updates down here. Let it load, and anytime there is an update that is telling you that it needs to be updated, or it can be updated, make sure to download and install updates as soon as it pops up. Thanks for watching, and it'd be well appreciated if you like and subscribe.